My name's Alan Garner. I'm the chairman of the Friends of Anderton and Marbury, and the event we're holding today at Marbury Country Park is Nestbox building, primarily aimed at children, although I must admit a lot of adults seem to enjoy taking part as well. There is a whole range of different types of nest boxes, but the one that we're concentrating on today is the standard nest box that you'll very often see put up in people's gardens and country parks, which is really designed at blue tits and great tits, coal tits if you're lucky. So what we have here are a base, a back plate, two side pieces, the front with the important bit, the hole in it, a roof and a base. And with any luck, these should go together quite nicely in the jig. So we put the two sides in, we put the base in here, which just needs tapping in a bit, and then put the back in position. Let's get these in and get the front on. We're going to hold this in position with basically a hinge, a waterproof hinge. This is just a piece of damp-proof coarse material. This is the more difficult part, because you end up hitting your fingers if you're not careful. Okay, so we now have a box that's basically waterproof and on which you can lift the lid if you need to clean it out or inspect what's going on inside. And the final thing is just to allow us to secure the lid. And just put a couple of nails in here like this.
Right, so I'll just finish this one off.
And finish off with a small strip of garden wire.
Right, now we can take it out of the jig.
So that's the finished box. It's not very glamorous, but the birds don't worry too much about that. And there are some gaps, air holes around here, which is actually a good thing because it means if any water does get in, it can drain out. It doesn't accumulate in the bottom of the box. So that can go up on a tree, side of a building, anywhere that's not exposed to the south really.